Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called polynomials. The given question is, which of the following expression is a polynomial in one variable and which is not? State reasons for your answer. And the given question is y to the power 2 plus root 2. So guys, let us see how we can answer this question. Here question has given us this polynomial. Here question has given us y to the power 2 plus root 2. And question is asking us to do two things. So what are these two things? Question is asking us to do two things. What are these two things? Let's see. Question is asking us here to find out if this is a polynomial in one variable or not, and we need to state the reason for this. We need to state the reason for this. These two things we need to do. One is a polynomial in one variable or not, we need to find out, and the second thing is we need to state the reasons for the answer. Now you could see that here from the question you could see that there is only one variable involved, and only one variable involved, that is y. If there would have been multiple variables like x, y, z, then the answer would be different. So here we can easily say that this is a polynomial in one variable. Why? Because only one variable is involved. So this is our answer. The first part, the question is asking us to tell whether a polynomial in one variable or not and state reasons for the answer. As only one variable is involved, as only one variable, that is y, is involved in the given polynomial, hence in the given polynomial, hence this is polynomial in one variable. We answered both the questions. How? The first part is whether this is a polynomial in one variable or not. We are telling that this is a polynomial in one variable. And why? As only one variable is involved, that is y is involved. For that reason only this is a polynomial in one variable. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just you need to find out how many variables are involved and you need to answer the question. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.